Hello, good morning, my dear friends, and we are again with Dinesh Kumar, and we are here today to talk about money. So, how are you? First of all, tell me, Dinesh bhai.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm doing fine. Thank you, Sajad. Thank you for having me on your show. I always feel nice talking to you, so I thought let's do it one more time.
Yeah, last time we had a few talks about money management, and it was new for me as well. But now, with the more clarity, we can talk about money. And after that talk, also, I could figure out that okay, most of the people are lacking this money management thing in their life because some people are earning, some people are having money, but they don't know what to do about that. So first of all, I would just like to know more about you that how what is your journey is all about this money managing and what you do actually.
Okay, Sajad, like I am mega money mentor,
Uh-huh.
and that's my title as a coach, which I give to myself. But in simple terms, I'm a money management coach. And as a money management coach, what I want to teach people is about how to manage their money well. See, the problem which I faced earlier in my financial journey when I started earning money was I was getting good salary, and now I wanted to make good use of that money. My initial goal was to get a good house for my parents so that we can move from a lower class locality to a decent locality where they can get facilities
Hmm.
and they can be comfortable. Instead of living just a very lowly kind of life, they could be more comfortable. So that was my goal. So I was a very saver kind of person. I would use some money, but most of the time I was saving, really like cutting off all the joys of my life, sacrificing a lot of joys of my life just to save. And I did accomplish my goals. But what I realized in the process was I was not getting joy out of it. I was making money, good money. I was accomplishing goals also, but I was not getting the joy. Happiness was not coming. And
Uh,
it started affecting me physically, mentally, emotionally, my relations. It started getting affected. Because if you are not happy yourself, you can't make other people happy, and then people get pushed away. That kind of thing started happening. So, like, and initially I was in the problem stage. I saw other people who could be happy even with lesser money. So I started wondering, like, how come like I'm making more money but I'm still not happy? So multiple things. I met people. I learned from people. 15 years back, I came across this book, Secrets of Millionaire Mind, where I learned this jar system, wherein like you create jars for various areas of your life, for long-term saving, for
mm,
financial freedom, for your necessities, day-to-day necessities, for your learning. So for everything, there are jars. Basically, you allocate part of your money for each of these areas, for charity also. And I found that this kind of system can help create balance in your life so that you save some money, but you enjoy also money. It's not that you are going to one extreme, either totally spending all the money and not left with any savings, or totally saving, and not enjoying any money. Both are bad extremes, according to me.
uh-huh.
So I started putting into practice and I started getting good results myself. My friends felt that I was improving in various ways. So they started asking me what I am doing right. I helped them. They got good results. So all in all, I started getting good feedback that I'm good with money management.
Right.
And finally, I felt like if I can do well for other people, why not take it big time? And this year, finally, I took a call of becoming a money management coach.